Hey everyone, so it's present day, so you know that must mean that we have a new project coming up. Hi everyone, Cristin here, and like I said, it is present day. So hold on, let me just take a little sip here and put my drink on my mug rug. Do you think maybe it's the mug rugs that's in our package here? So you know, whenever I have a present day, that means that we've got a sponsor that is going to work on a group project for us. So today's package comes from Oma Darlings. They are our sponsor for Mug Rugs 5. So let's see what we've got in here. Oh, fun, fun, fun. All right, all in one package. Oh, cute. Oh, cute. Wow. So, oh my gosh, that is so cute. I'll show you. Hold on. All right, so we have Mug Rug Volume 5. Yay. So I posted in our group a few days ago all the different designs. There are 12 different designs, and I chose 3 of them to do as a group project with our friends in the Cristin Creates group. So we are going to place our orders now from Oma Darlings to get the mug rug and to get the fabric kit for the 3, or she also made a package of all 12 of them if you choose to get the fabric kit for all 12. So it looks like she sent me all 12. Oh my goodness. So look at all of this. Wow, this is a lot more fabric than I expected. So it looks like it includes the embellishments, because that's leather, and pretty fabrics. I think she included some batting for mine. I don't know. So I remember seeing, when I checked the links, I remember seeing that you had an option that you could buy the 3-pack or the 12-pack. And then below that, there was an addition that you could add on batting and stabilizer if you chose. And so I do need to back my fabrics, but it looks like she included stabilizer. This looks like stabilizer to me. So look at all of these really pretty fabrics. Definitely for all 12. Mine's for all 12, so we're going to be busy. I thought we were just doing 3. So this is nice. So the mug rugs, like the best thing about the mug rugs, in my opinion, ooh, look at, there's cork. So the best thing I think is it is the perfect beginner project. So I am going to plan something special about that. Oh, there's some more. Look at, there's some red leather. Oh my gosh, so many fun fabrics. I heard this one is really hard to get, this doodles in the mint color, kind of a greenish mint. Anyway, lots of fun fabrics in the 12-pack. Oh, we're going to be busy. And then look at, she included this little snail because she knows we're working on spring showers, and we're going to take a short little break from spring showers most likely and work on our mug rugs and then get back to our spring showers. So how cute is that? I love little things like this because every time I look at them, then it makes me think of that person. So very, very nice, Oma Darlings. Thank you. And there's one more thing in here. Oh, batting. What a sweetheart she is. So mine has stabilizer, and she sent me lots of batting that looks like it's pre-cut, and the Kimberbell tape too. Very nice. Thank you so much, Oma. You're a sweetheart. Such a cutie. So there's a little card in here. A handmade gift for you. Look at how cute is that. A little tag. It's got buttons on it. She is such a sweetheart. So Oma's been working really hard for us. We have to do the next. Oh, very cute. God bless. And so the possibilities. Very cute. Thank you, Oma. So Oma and her team and her husband have been working super hard for us. I announced, I didn't want to wait until I got my kit to be able to announce so that you guys can all get yours ordered quickly too. And that way we can start sooner. And it's always exciting when a new item from Kimberbell comes out. So I went ahead and I announced on Cristin Creates and said that we're going to do this mug rug project. And here's the link. And then there was an issue with shipping. And I think the issue is still there, but what they're doing is they are jumping through every hoop. So I think that when you place your order, it says a certain amount of shipping. And then I think her husband's name is Steve. They go in every night and they fix the shipping on everything before they accept the order. So just know that if you get on there and it says that it's expensive shipping, it's not necessarily accurate, and they will fix it before they accept the order. So they've been really working hard. They ordered a bunch of these mug rug CDs for us to be prepared for our group project. So make sure to order from our sponsor and get it as soon as you can so that we can start soon. I'm pretty excited about this one. So like I said, mug rugs are, in my opinion, the easiest project. This is from Mug Rug 1. The new one is Mug Rug 5. So there's so many options of different designs. There's 12 just on this one CD. So look at it. It's a small project. It doesn't take a lot of fabric, a lot of time. It's a quick, easy project, and it makes wonderful gifts. So nice. You know, how cute would it be to get like a special coffee mug and wrap it up with the mug rug inside of the coffee mug, and a little new neighbor gift or a happy birthday? Because on the designs, if you look at the designs, there is a birthday cake, a camping one, thank you for being our hero, a stitching one with yarn, and thanks for helping me grow. How perfect is that for the teachers? And then there's a sports one. There's a lot of different designs. So something for a nice gift for everybody. So I think it would be really fun to do this project together. Of course, you know me, I think more fun together always. And we can go ahead and make this together and make some gifts for someone or for yourself. I certainly enjoy mine. I have several of these, and somebody actually sent me one, a puppy one, super cute. So I love mug rugs. I use them every single day. So anyway, get your orders in. Here's some information. Sorry, I almost forgot the most important part for you guys. The code for our Cristin Creates group code is 5 mug rug. So 5 MUGRUG, all in caps. And that gives you 10% off of your whole order. So if you order stabilizers, if you order extra fabric, if you order whatever you can find from your from their website, you'll get 10% off your whole order, is what she told me. So I think Marty was telling everybody, she was really helpful on this. She was saying that if you buy one of the mug rug CDs and 2 of the fabric kits, that her order was free. So if you meet the $100 threshold, then you get your shipping for free anyway. So that's really nice. And like I said, they are going in and adjusting shipping on the ones that are not free to have it be accurate to where you're located and the size of your package, the weight, and all of that. So they are fixing all of those. And so anyway, go ahead and order as soon as you can from Oh My Darlings. Get our sponsorship code, the 5 mug rug, and we'll plan our project very soon. I have some things I'm working on behind the scenes to make that work. Thank you, Oma. I appreciate you and your team.